Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Today we're going to be making chocolate covered strawberries. I'm all excited right now because I ate one, but it's a process. So go ahead and watch this craziness. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Paige. I am a at-home baker here in Tucson, and today I'm going to be doing some chocolate covered strawberries. Just simple ones. I got some white chocolate, and then I made this purplish bluish chocolate out of some purple and blue candy melts and a little bit of white. Um, I wanted to do chocolate ones as well, but my kids ate all my chocolate. They put them in the pancakes. So no biggie. These strawberries are actually for them. I do, however, sell chocolate covered strawberries. Um, if you are in the area and you're looking to purchase some, you can go over to my Facebook page, which is Shay's Sweet Treats, and send me a message and order them there. I do sell them $15 for a dozen or $25 for 2 dozen. So I think my prices are super reasonable. I know some people sell chocolate covered strawberries for like $50. To each their own, you know. I'm just shaking off the excess, and I do apologize. My camera just went out for some reason. I'm gonna squeeze through both bags. Drizzle. It's a thinner drizzle. I'm just very gently doing this. I don't want to disturb the white chocolate underneath. And the longer you take to do the drizzle over the chocolate's going to start to set up. It's going to be harder to pull that through. That's what I did want to show you. This is one that I've been sitting for a minute, then I did the drizzle so I can show you. You want to do it right away, otherwise you're going to have some issues. And I hate looking at this thick stripe there. I'm going to do more. Pull straight up, shake it off. Just a little bit closer. Then drizzle. Real quick. And see that there? Alright. Now, do another one here. Now, you don't have to run the Q-tip, I'm sorry, toothpick. You don't have to run the toothpick through it. You can just drizzle and go. Drizzle and go. Drizzle and go. That's what I'll call that. Drizzle and go. Chocolate off. And this one, the chocolate is starting to set up, but it's okay because this is going to be a drizzle and go. Keep it moving. Okay. just like that, and that is still beautiful. Those are beautiful. Let me try to get you at a better angle. Okay, so that should be a better angle now, so you can see better. So same thing, pulling the leaves back from the strawberry, dipping it down in there, getting kind of long chocolate. It didn't melt a lot, so I'm just basically just doing this for fun. The kids have a special treat after school today. They will really enjoy this. Okay, and then chocolate must have again. Drizzle and go. Drizzle. A little bit thicker, but you know, it's still not super thick. One more real quick. I feel like I said one more, one more, one more. Oh, chocolate. Why have you forsaken me? Let me be quiet. Oh, oh. I do actually want to show you something else. See, chocolate's getting kind of thick. I just want to smooth it out when I'm tapping it. That is rough. That is rough. I will not give that to anybody. What's going on with this chocolate today? Oh. Oh. Did a little crazy drizzle there. That crazy looking thing. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. The struggle was real with the chocolate. Don't really know what was going on there. But I did want to show you the finished product, and it does include some gold ones that I had dusted. Here is also a few other orders that I did over the week. Let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like to see done. I'll do my best to get it done for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. You know you want to. Also, like, comment, and share. Bye. See you next time.